A woman aged in her 80s has become the 13th person to die with COVID-19 in Western Australia. Key points. WA case numbers have dropped for the third day in a row. WA case numbers have dropped for the third day in a row. A total of 13 people have since the pandemic began. A total of 13 people have since the pandemic began. There are 122 people in hospital, up from 103 yesterday. It comes after the state recorded 3,602 new infections overnight, a drop from the 4,300 infections reported on Saturday, 5,005 on Friday, and 4,535 on Thursday. Hospitalizations have jumped to 122, with 5 people in ICU. Of the positive cases, 1,745 were confirmed by PCR tests, and the remaining 1,857 were from self-reported positive rapid antigen tests. The state now has a total of 24,126 active cases. Lower case numbers part of testing cycle. Transport Minister Rita Saffioti said the drop in case numbers reflected the poorer turnout at testing clinics on weekends. Rita Saffioti says the government is keen to ease COVID restrictions as soon as possible. The advice I've got is it's part of the testing cycle, in the fact that sometimes those tests aren't as high as during the week, she said. WA COVID-19 snapshot confirmed cases so far, 46,986. Active cases, 24,126. Cases in hospital, 122. 13. WA population aged 16 plus triple dosed. 69.2% latest information from the WA Health Department. The real measure will be over the next 2 or 3 days, over Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, to see whether those numbers stabilise or whether they jump up again. The minister said WA Premier Mark McGowan was eager to ease public health restrictions back from level 2 when possible, but reiterated it was dependent on advice from the Chief Health Officer. We continually monitor everything, Ms. Saffioti said. A key factor in that decision-making will be vaccination rates. More than 95% of the WA population, aged over 12, are double-dose vaccinated, and the booster vaccination rate now stands at 70%. It's an incredible record, and a big thank you to all Western Australians for getting that third dose, Ms. Saffioti said. WA Health Minister Amber-Jade Sanderson said on Saturday the state was expected to reach its peak of 10,000 cases a day in the next week. Loading. M to mute, left and right arrows to seek, up and down arrows for volume. Watch 15 minutes 2 seconds 15M will winter bring a COVID-19 onslaught.